We don't have to pay for all this stuff if they're not going to have the show.
I would assume that's the case, but I can make sure that that's the case. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe that should be a question. Courtney? Courtney?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep, that is something that is in the contract. And
Good.
last year they were able to move it for us as well. So they're aware that it is in a locked date that we have for community day. If we're not able to have it, they're quite flexible and they've been really great to work with.
That was just on rain dates, Courtney. How about if you couldn't have that many people, or if something happens, did they say they would do something with that?
Yep. They, I mean, last year we were able to move it as well. And I talked to him through an email and he's.
Yeah, we had the same situation last year, so.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
We'll work with them. And if we can't community day, my feeling is we're almost certainly going to do the same kind of thing we did last year. We're going to have some event.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we'll move it to the fall or whatever, like we did last year. So.
Yes.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Good.
Sounds
All right.
good.
Did we vote
Did
on
we
it?
vote on that?
I'll make a motion.
Do I have a second?
Second.
Second by Richie. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. All opposed? Carried. Next up is a bond agreement for resurfacing roads. Do I have a motion for that?
Ed Jessup will make the motion for the bond.
I'll second that.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. All opposed? Carried. Committee reports. Do we have anything from the CAC?
No.
Anything from Highway?
No.
Anything from Business and Economic Development?
No.
Anything from Recreation?
No.
Anything from Open Space?
No, Alan.
Are there any town board comments at this time? Anything from the town attorney?
Nothing at this time.
Do I have a motion to open for public comment?
So moved.
I'll second.
Second by Gary.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. All opposed? Any comments or questions from the public?
I have a question about what's going with Empire Solutions. What's going on at that residence? What are they going to do? What business?
It's an application in front of our planning board to put in ground-mounted solar on that house's property, subject to the regulations of the town regarding that.
Okay, because I did
The process is it would go through the normal planning board process for approval.
Okay, all right, thank you. I looked up the company and it said it was a consulting company, so I just wasn't sure what they were trying to do.
They are probably a company which works with solar companies to navigate local ordinances and that sort of thing, as opposed to the company that actually does the construction, but that's just a guess on my part.
Okay, thank you very much.
Sure. Anything else? Do I have a motion to close the public comment?
Ed Jessup will make the
Do I
motion.
have a second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. All opposed? Carried. Any further discussion? Do I have a motion to adjourn?
Ed Jessup will make the motion to adjourn.
Do I have a second?
Second by Gary.
Second by Gary. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. All opposed? Carried. Thanks.
Stay safe,
Good night,
everybody.
everybody.
Have a good night. Stay well.
You too. Thanks, Jeff.